Okay, welcome back to the gun bench. Today we're just going to do a unboxing. It's been a real long time since I've done a video, 6 to 9 months, and the reason for that is kind of centered around why I bought this gun. So I'll go ahead and tell everybody that subscribes, and for the people that don't care, sorry, you can skip a few seconds here and I'll get into the unboxing. But yeah, so I started making holsters after YouTube said that we're not going to monetize, and it's just something I wanted to do to, you know, in the market of holsters, which isn't flooded at all, but just something to be that I could do at home. I could be in the gun world, do something to make money, somewhat, just as a kind of a part-time thing. It actually working out pretty well. My #1 holster sellers for this Canik, and that's why I bought the gun, so I can test fit all my holsters that go out with the actual gun. So I know that they're fitting right. So that's the reason I bought this Elite SC, the trophy model. That's the one they had, Trophy Distressed. If you want to check out the holsters, it's tactile, but tactile holsters. I'm on Facebook. I also do them on my main page is Etsy, and I have some on eBay too, under tactile and tactile holsters on Etsy. Mainly, I don't have a lot that are finished right now. I do double layer, so most of my holsters are two-tones, like this one. That's not finished yet. You know, it's red, and then you pick your interior color. They're dual layer, two pieces of .60 Kydex pressed together, and then fit. This one's for the Elite SC with the PL Mini 2. I'm working on getting one for the Balder as soon as I can get the mold. This is just a regular, you want a black carbon fiber on black, so it's not really too fancy there. You know, once it's all put together and everything. Got a couple down here that are just this Black Raptor texture with zombie green. This is for my M&P, but that's pretty much style cut for optics. Got some different ones. I can do whatever you like. I do a lot of this dual RCS clips. This one's dirty. Waiting on the guy to pay. So I do these. This is .80 Kydex. I usually don't mess with too much, but I can. I can do whatever you like, except for OWB. I'm not really into those right now. So yeah, that's it. Check us out if you'd like. But we'll get into this. This is the unboxing of the Canik TP9 Elite SC Trophy Distressed, which is the OD distressed looking color. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Get this out of here. First thing, of course, you've got your manuals in here. Nice little pouch on the back of this foam. It's like some other literature that you need, registrations and all that junk. Got your cleaning brush and rod back there. Now we'll open the gun up. So you got a lock here. Take this holster off. The holster comes with it if you want to use it. It's an OWB, but it also can be switched, I believe, to do IWB. Yeah, it looks like it can. So you can have an IWB and I'm pretty sure it's left-handed, right-handed, whichever you want to do. To me, it's, I don't know, pretty junk, edges wise. But I mean, if that's all you got, and that's what you need for now, you know, go right ahead. Or come order for one for me. I'll get you out. Usually about 7 to 14 days behind on orders. So yeah, this is it. I'm sure everybody's seen the Elite SC, but this is the Trophy Distressed model. So that's kind of an ODA burnt bronze distressed finish. The Elite SC is pretty nice. Of course, it's 9mm. Come with 12-round mag. This one comes with a 12-rounder, and then you've also got a 15-round with a matching base plate here, which actually looks pretty good when it's in the gun. Besides wanting to use it for test fitting for holsters, that's, you know, after holding the mold, which is so pretty darn close to it, actually felt like a pretty good gun. And now that I have it in hand, I like it even more. It's got blacked out rear sights. I don't think that's a. Don't look to me like it's a night sight. I can't tell. Kind of glows, but kind of doesn't. Of course, you got your rail up front. It's got ambi, slide lock. Mag release can be reversed. Got interchangeable back straps. Of course, it's optic cut, ready for a couple different optics out there you can have attached to it. Got a loaded chamber indicator on top. Decent trigger, really. I mean, striker power triggers are getting better and better and better, even with I want to say lower end models, but you know what I'm saying. Basically, nothing wrong with Canik at all. They actually make pretty good guns, but yeah, your striker fire models, I guess. The triggers are getting better and better. But you know, this one's got a little bit of take up, but actually has a pretty nice clean light break. Decent reset. And I don't know, because I'm not a Canik aficionado, but I know on the other Elite C's, the black and nickel coated or whatever they did on the slide, it's got the black with the red trigger shoe in the middle, the trigger safety shoe. I don't know if that was a better trigger or not, and it's just black on this one, but it feels pretty good. We can measure it here. On my trusty measure, see what we get on the pull weight. So if you cycle it first. So I'm going to say it's about an average of 4. If we did 10 and average it out, I imagine it's going to be in the 4-pound range. That's a pretty decent trigger, really. So besides that, I'm going to see if I can get that off there without tearing it, but it looks like I'll have to. I just picked this up. There we go. So now you can get the full look of it. It's pretty nice. Like I said, 12 plus 1, 15 plus 1. Too thick. I mean, I got pretty small hands and it fits me pretty well. Got front cocking serrations. Of course, we got the Olight Mini 2, which I'll keep to myself on those, but that's one of the #1 selling lights that I get for this. Looks pretty good on there. Now that I have that out, I can test fit. And this holster here, it locks in pretty tight once I'm pushed down. So something I know now. I can work on that. Once I get get the pressure on there, that'll come out pretty good. Helps if you clean the holster too. It's still dusty. It's not ready to be done yet, but. So, yeah, that's really all I wanted to show. Just kind of tell everybody where I've been for the people that do care. What else we got in here? I know you've got an extra base plate if you want to take the extended off the 12-round mag, or the pinky rest off, you can. That's in there. Got your one of your optic plates here. Loaded chamber indicator light. Let's see, what is that? No, it's just put it around the trigger when it's in the shop or something. And then you've got your little case here, which I always thought was kind of cool when Canik first came out with the TP9 SFX. A little kit in there. It's pretty nice with your Allens and your star bits and different screws to mount your optic too. So it's always nice instead of being in a bag that gets opened and then everything falls out of. So kind of always like that. Let's see, not too much else. I guess I can go over a quick disassembly of it. We might do a disassembly video on this, so if you're looking for that, let me know. If enough people want to do it, we'll go ahead and do a complete, like, tear down, bare frame, bare slide disassembly. But your field strip is going to be simple to block, as far as I know. Pull the trigger, pull back, pull your takedown levers. Then when you come out, you want to go up and off, because when you put it back on, you don't go ahead and slide it on, because first off, your ejector will hit here, so you kind of want to see you got your notches here. Set it on there at that point, and then but overall, it's pretty nice gun. I'm pretty glad I picked it up. Not only for the intentions I have of it, but to shoot it, maybe carry it after I get some rounds through it. We'll see how it goes. If we can ever get some ammo going on here. Got the craziest year behind us, and I think even a worse year coming up for us, for the gun owners out there. So you guys do what you can to get out there, and I don't know if there's going to be much we can do now after we've lost everything. So we'll just see how it goes. Once again, I'm gonna try to do some more videos. It's hard to have the time to, you know, I work full time and I do the holsters, which pretty much takes up all my time with all my orders, and so I haven't had time to do a lot of videos and stuff. But I wouldn't mind, you know, getting back into it. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and comment. Let me know if you want to see the disassembly. If you have one of these, let me know what you think about it, because so far it seems like an awesome gun, and I've gotten nothing but great feedback on it from, you know, the sites I'm on and stuff and read about. And yeah, if you want a holster, check me out. Comment down here, check out one of those avenues I talked about earlier, and we can get you on the list to get you a holster, man. So yeah, we'll see you next time on the Gun Bitch.